I made a 2-minute video 2 days ago exactly drawing this. I drew this out 2 days ago. Zero talking. All I did was draw my future Geo, put a clip up. Look how short that clip was. Are you guys understanding? How many times do they need to dump on your ass before you understand the game? This is not a charity. This game is not a charity. You guys don't listen. And then instead of understand, when I tell you they can do, it can be as irrational as it wants to be, you come and you attack me and you hate on me, not my people. My people, mad love to you. You come and attack me. I'm going to tell you this, guys. It can go a whole lot lower than it's going. Oh my God, 6% down in 1 day. Hello? We went up 150% in 2 years with zero retracements. So when I talk about 43K, which I believe is coming, like, you can't be ignorant to it. This time is different. You're right. It is different. People are too entitled this time. Now, I'm not saying short right now. I'm not saying it can't go back up. I'm not saying don't look for a short on a retracement. But I made a video, even yesterday, 2 days ago, I made a video saying the 4 hour is still pointing down. I'm not bullish until the 4 hour flips up. Remember that 45-minute video I did? Well, congratulations to the one that listened, because when we were at the top, and I even drew this out in that video. Future Geo, put a clip up. In the event that your 1 hour time frame does something like this, where it either hits that level, comes back SFPs, breaks that low, gives you that retrace, and then down you go, we're coming for those lows. I drew this out. This exactly. What did I draw? I said, if this happens and you sweep that high, then your 1 hour flips back to bearish. And I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not as giga short as I would like to be, because Bybit didn't take the high, which was annoying, but Binance took the high, Binance USDT took the high, and Coinbase took the high. I drew this out for you perfectly. So here's what I'm going to say. In my opinion, don't follow more than at the max 2 creators. And it doesn't have to be me, but find creators that are objective. Find creators that eat the ginger and that don't feed you up only bullshit. Because when they come for liquidity, they come for liquidity. Guys, why do you think liquidity is my favorite word in all of trading? Because this was an easy, okay, not easy like that. Maybe a little bit more difficult than what I would have preferred, because they didn't take the Bybit high. If they took the Bybit high, man, I would have been hammering so hard shorts. This is not hard to see. I showed you that this was going to happen in a 2-minute video with zero talking. And that 2-minute video with zero talking was better analysis with zero talking than any other creator on YouTube gave you that has hopium up their ass. Guys, they gave you 74K. I have nothing else to tell you. 74K. Where's the bull run? Where's the bull run? We've been in a bull run for 2 years. Look, I don't want to say this is not meant to be an I told you so kind of video. I promise it's not. And a lot of people are getting wrecked right now. And if you're one of the people that are getting wrecked right now, I truly apologize, because losing sucks. But this is more of like, you need that slap on the wrist. Get it out of your brain that we can't go to 43. Get it out of your brain that you can't go to 30. Get it out of your brain that you can't go to 20. And get it out of your brain that you can't go to 100, because you can. Do I think it's going to go to 100? No. I don't think it's going to 100. Not this cycle. Do I think that, oh man, wait for retail to get in? Retail's already in. You're right. This time is different. Retail is in. Everybody knows about crypto. Every single person knows about crypto. Who doesn't know about crypto? Grandparents know about crypto. We have 60-year-old crypto content creators. Don't know about crypto. Anyway, I'm not saying we're not going higher. I'm not saying we're not going to come back up to 65K. I'm not saying any of that. What I am saying is, do not be ignorant to price going down, because and you know what? And if you're going to be ignorant about it, then don't come in and shade me, because clearly I know what I'm talking about. I don't just say, oh yeah, man, the RSIs are overbought or oversold. It has to go up 60, 70K by the end of the week. 70. I'm seeing things, man. Crypto Twitter. Oh my God. I'm seeing things. New all-time high by the end of the month. It's the 27th today. 3 days. End of the month. What planet are you on? I'm seeing stuff 100K in September. 150K in September. How can you talk about 100K? We're not even above 58K right now. How are you going to talk about 100K? Anyways, I really don't want this to be an I told you so video, because it's not. I promise I'm not like trying to be an asshole. It's more for the, I don't want to say for the haters, because you guys don't even deserve my attention for the haters. But if you're going to still be ignorant, man, like, or arrogant, arrogant, same, different, but same. Don't think we can't come back for this wick, guys. I've been saying I want an accumulation at the low. I think that Bitcoin not taking the high is way more bullish than if it took the high, or if it's going to take the high before touching this low yet again. We need to go down and we need to stay the fuck down, in my opinion. I think 43K is coming. Things can change. Structure can change. I follow my structure. But as indicated in that last video, your 4-hour high was still, look at how high you pumped. And I said this in the video, in the 45-minute one. I'm like, we pumped 33% and your 4 hour is still bearish, man. And I even said people are so emotional. The FAG index is like so bullish and whatever. This is just your lower high on your 4-hour time frame. What's your expectational order flow? Is lower low. So is this video a shock? Absolutely not. But am I going to be looking for giga shorts? I'll tell you this. If they keep all this liquidity intact, why wouldn't they come for it? You guys remember in that video when I drew this? I was like, whoop, woo, whoop, woo, whoop, woo, whoop. And then I did this. Remember that? You guys saw the clip that Future Geo just put in the... Anyways. I'm not here to say I told you so. I don't want to be an asshole. And I'm genuinely, if you lost money on this drop, I apologize. If you lost... I'll give you the glass half full, though. If you lost Bitcoin on this drop, like if you were inverse perpetual and you were long Bitcoin and now you just lost Bitcoin, at the very least, you lost a currency that nobody accepts anyways. But, so it's like not as good, it's not as bad. Anyways, don't be ignorant. Don't be arrogant. Don't say 43 can't come. Yes, it can. Don't say they can't come take this shitty liquidity. Yes, they can. You know, it could come all the way down to like here. 30K. While just doing this the whole way. And then guess what? You flip bullish. You accumulate at the low. You flip. And then, ha! That could happen. Don't be arrogant. If you watched my video, congratulations. If you took me seriously, congratulations. And, you know, we have a lot of liquidity above us now. Man, this move sucked. I'll tell you this. Yesterday's price action was so shit. On top of the fact that they didn't take the high on Bybit. So I wasn't like super confident. I thought we were going to go down from here, but I thought maybe we could have wicked this out one more time. So I wasn't as short. I did short the high. But this price action, man, like yesterday was like a flopping groping kind of day. If they took that, if they cleanly took the high on Bybit, oh man, I would have made trillions. But I even said, man, what did I say about Ethereum? Look, trend lines work. Trend lines work. Congratulations. Keep drawing your trend lines. What did I say about Ethereum? I compared the comparison between Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? The relation between Bitcoin and Ethereum. We were talking about this range, right? We were talking about how this is a potential PO3 manipulation, right? We were talking about how Ethereum was already showing signs of a distribution, right? Like all this was given to you in the last 2 days. If you chose not to listen because Geo's a perma bear and I don't know what I'm talking about, well, I hope the next time I draw a liquidity line for you, you at least are open to the idea, no matter how crazy you think I am. Anyways, have a good day, guys. Geo out.